Number 2 wants us to find the inverse cosine of square root of 2 over 2. Now cosine, that is talking about the x value. So I want to look at the unit circle. And because this is a positive square root of 2 over 2, I want to look in quadrant 1. Inverse cosine is only defined in two quadrants, quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So if it's negative, use quadrant 2. If it's positive, use quadrant 1. So where is there an x value of square root of 2 over 2? That is right here. So that would be pi over 4. And then arctan of 1, I want to, well, tangent is y over x. So I want to look at the unit circle, and you don't need to write this every single time, I just do for instructional purposes. And this is positive, so it's quadrant 1. So I'm looking, where is y over x equal to 1? So in order for y over x, or any two values over each other, to be equal to 1, they have to be the same thing. And that is here, square root of 2 over 2 over square root of 2 over 2. So I mean, if you think about it, you have square root of 2 over 2 over that. Anytime you have the same thing on top and bottom, this is equal to 1. So that would be pi over 4.